Good afternoon mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan naman natin ang transportation model unbalance problem using LCM or least cost method. Kung saan, yung previous lesson natin, pinag-aralan natin yung balance problem using least cost method. At the same time, ito yung problem na sinob natin sa northwest corner rule unbalance problem. Okay, kung papansinin natin uli, ito ay hindi balanse dahil yung ating demand and supply is not equal. Whereas, ang ating supply ay merong 900 and yung ating demand is 1,200. So, obviously, this is not equal. Para maging balanse ito, maglalagay tayo ng dummy. So, this is 1,200. So, total nito ay 900. So, para maging equal sila, so sa dummy, maglalagay tayo ng 300 na supply para maging equal sila. And, for our cost is $0. Okay? Ating shipping cost. So, kung ang ating demand naman ay may kulang, so, para maging balance, so ang ating magiging dummy ay sa ating column or sa ating destination. Okay, so and this is 300 to make it equal. Then ito ay 0. Then after nating makapaglagay ng dummy sa ating at ma-determine natin kung saan tayo maglalagay ng dummy sa either sa supply or demand. So, gagawin na natin yung procedure ng ating minimum sell cost method or yung least cost method natin. Kung saan, naghahanap tayo or tina-target natin yung cheapest route or yung ating lowest cost. Okay? So, ito yung ating shipping cost sa northwest corner rule na unbalanced problem na merong $5,900. So, try nating alamin kung kaya pa natin itong mapababa. Okay? So, ito yung steps. So, una is identify the cell with the lowest cost. Okay, so same procedure pa rin ito dun sa ating balance problem. Okay, then number 2, allocate as many units as possible to the cell without exceeding the supply or demand, and we will cross out. And number 3, find the cell with the lowest cost from the remaining cells. And repeat 2 and 3 until all units have been allocated. So, ito na yung ating tableau na nagkaroon na tayo ng ating dummy sa ating source. Okay, then we will find the cheapest shipping cost dito sa ating ruta, whereas meron tayong obviously 0 sa dummy. Okay, so therefore, mag-allocate ako dito ng 300. Then this is cross out. This is 300. Then again, find the lowest shipping cost. So, meron ditong 2 shipping cost. So, mag-allocate ako dito ng 300. Then, this is cross out. Okay. This is 100. The next, my lowest shipping cost is $3 from Beijing to Tokyo. So, mag-allocate ako ng 100. This is 100. And this is cross out. Next, ang my lowest shipping cost ay yung Manila to Seoul na merong $4. So, mag-allocate ako dito ng 300. Then, this is cross out. This is 200. Then, ang matitira na lang ay Manila to Sydney and Manila to Tokyo. Obviously, mas mababa ang 6. So, mag-allocate ako dito ng 100. Then, this is 100. And this is cross out. Then, last, ang may natitira na lang ay sa Manila to Sydney. Okay, then is cross out. Then, after nating makapag-allocate and malaman natin yung mga shipping route natin, from Hanoi to Sydney, 300 units. Manila to Seoul, 300. Manila to Sydney, 100. Manila to Tokyo, 100. Beijing to Tokyo, 100. And dummy to sold is 300. Then we will compute our total shipping cost, okay, with our shipping round with a total of $3,400. So from 5,900, so napababa natin into $3,400. So that's all for our least cost method unbalanced problem. Thank you very much.